Welcome guys to another Unreal Engine tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to change the speed of things if you open certain things. Okay, so where I'm gonna want to go is, let's say you're opening your inventory and you want it to slow down. So over here in my inventory, I'm gonna want to go out and set global time dilation. This is on a scale of 0 to 1. So 0 would mean that time's completely paused, and 1 would mean that time is as normal. So over here, I just want to make it slow down. So 0.5. And then on close inventory, set global time dilation as 1. Or actually it's 2, it's just 1.25. 1.5, so that way we can see how much it speeds up. So if I were to hit play, let me full screen this. So I open up my inventory, and that didn't work. Let's try it again. Okay, what is not working? That's not my inventory. That's on tab pressed. Okay. So just to see it in action, let's just put it in our event begin play. Set global time dilation to 0.5. Let's compile that. Now if I hit play, as you can see, we are in 0.25 times speed. But an interesting thing is that it doesn't affect the speed that you can open up your widgets or anything else like that. It does affect the speed of everything else though, and it gets a bit weird. So now if I change it to 2 times speed, this is gonna be crazy. Then now you can see that everything is sped up. Oh, this looks so weird. Okay, and that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you have a question and you just want to ask me, just leave a comment. I make a video on every single comment that I get, but right now I have a lot of requests and it may take me 1 or 2 days to process your comment and make a video about it. Please subscribe for more videos and comment. So yeah, bye.